So let's set this to 30. And if we take these guys, or let's take this one rather and set that to 40, then I take both of these guys, set that to 50, well, it will do just that. It will take both of these and set them to 50. So it will not add, but it will just override the setting. But if I select these two guys and I use the light intensity and just drag that up like that, well, of course I could have done that here as well, but if I select all of them and drag that up, it will add to the lights. So instead of changing the global setting for this light, you can see that I still now got, okay, this light is 423 and this is 150. So I changed the light intensity by adding additional light by using this tool. Of course, I can just take this light here, drag that up. Also got the cone angle tool, so I can go like this. Do that globally, or yeah, do that globally, or if you want to, or just select a few of them. Change the light intensity, dragging that up. We can also use this global intensity, which we also got ambient intensity, so we can change the ambient intensity for all the lights in the scene. I just never ever use this ambient light, so I don't really like it. It's fake light, so it's not really going to give you a good result, like in 99% of the cases. But I can take the global light intensity, and that is basically the same as taking these guys, selecting them, and using the light intensity tool and either dragging to the left or right to change the intensity. But the global light intensity does the same thing by adding, for example, 10% to all the lights in the scene, or now, removing 20% of the light. So, so I'll set that to 30, and you can see that this light still has its own setting, 82, and this one, oh, okay, yeah, okay, that was just a coincidence, but you can see that they keep their light intensity, individual light intensity. So that's a cool thing about using global, that you can do that. So if you got 1000 lights in the scene, then yeah, you can do that. Just set that to 40-ish. So this is, instead of going inside here, I don't know why these envelopes are on now. I'll just shift click to turn those off. So you can do that with these tools instead of going into this scene editor and doing it. Yeah. So you got more options in the scene editor, but it's still neat that you can do this. I can take these two lights. I just want to turn off this OpenGL overlay for now. So I'll select these two lights. You can't really see me selecting them. I wish there was a rectangle, so instead of having all of these OpenGL overlays on, I could just have the rectangle. I don't think there's any way to do that. Anyway, so if I do this now, I select this light, and I can drag to the right to fix it. Anyway, select these two lights and projection image. Let's take this guy. So you can see that I added a projection image to both of these. So it's rather a fast way to do it. Select all of them, and I'm just using a black image to remove the light intensity, or the projection image really. Select all, and yeah, you get the idea. So there's like a ton, you've got tons of options here as far as using light tools to adjust the scene within the scene itself instead of going into the scene editor.